Hey there. So, have you ever wanted to earn some passive income online but didn't know how? Well, let me tell you, copywriting and content writing are some of the most successful skills of modern times and will continue to be for years to come. And you know why? Because expressing yourself through words, whether written or spoken, is the most human thing. I personally learn something new about writing skills every day, and you won't believe it, but the most successful online writers in my network are earning between $5,000 to $50,000 per month. I know it's crazy, right? But it's also totally possible. Now, here's the thing. Out of all the writers I know, 20% of them aren't particularly talented. But guess what? They have the right strategy. They know how to use the tools that are available, and those tools are today's most powerful online weapons. And today, my friend, I'm going to share with you a secret strategy that's used by the majority of the top influencers across various platforms. And the best part, we're going to use 3 different tools, and they're all either free or come with a free trial. First up, we have ChatGPT, which is a totally free tool. Then there's Google Trends, which is also free. And finally, we have Writesonic AI, which is free for the first 10,000 words, and you don't even need to enter your credit card info. This AI writing tool is seriously powerful, so get ready to be impressed. To make things super easy, I've broken down this strategy into simple steps. So without further ado, here's how it works. Alright, so step 1 is to pick a niche for yourself. For me, that's technology. But for you, it could be anything from fashion to finance to fitness. Whatever you're passionate about or have some expertise in, that's a good place to start. But here's the thing. You don't want to just stop at picking a broad niche. You also want to find a few sub-niches within your main niche. Why? Well, niching down is a critical component of digital strategy. But if your niche is too narrow, you may not be able to attract a large enough audience. So sub-niches help you target a specific group within your niche. For example, if your main niche is fitness, you could narrow it down to sub-niches like yoga, weightlifting, or bodyweight training. This way, you can create content that's specifically tailored to those interested in that particular aspect of fitness. So take some time to think about your niche and what sub-niches you could focus on. This will make it easier to create content that really resonates with your audience. And the step 2 is all about finding sub-niches within your niche. And the best way to do that is by using ChatGPT. Don't worry, it's super easy. Just head on over to OpenAI.com and scroll down until you see Try ChatGPT. Click on that and you'll be taken to ChatGPT. Just sign up and you're good to go. Now, what you want to do is give ChatGPT a prompt. In my case, I asked, what are some sub-niches for the technology niche? And here are the answers I got. Software development, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, Internet of Things, cloud computing, gaming, space technology, and more. Once you have your list of sub-niches, it's time to choose 3 of them and filter out one. This will be your main sub-niche that you'll focus on for your content. So take some time to think about which one resonates with you the most and which one you think will be the most interesting to your target audience. Alright, so step 3 is where we start to use Google Trends. This is a powerful tool that is completely free and can help you research current trends and popular search queries across various regions and languages. So, let's say you've chosen your 3 sub-niches. In my case, those are software development, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity. Now head on over to Google Trends and type in the first sub-niche you want to research. For me, that's software development. And just like that, you'll have all sorts of data about the number of people who are searching for that particular topic. But here's the secret sauce. Anything above 50 is good. That means there is a decent amount of demand for that topic. Next, click on the plus button and compare the other 2 sub-niches with your first choice. In my case, that would be artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. Look at the results and see which one comes out on top. And there you have it. You should have one clear winner, which means you have a topic with high demand, a validated sub-niche, and you're ready to start creating content that your audience will love. And here is the last step. Step 4 is all about using Writesonic AI to create some awesome content for your chosen sub-niche. And the best part is, it's super easy. Writesonic AI is one of the most powerful AI writing tools out there, and the best part is that it's completely free to use for the first 10,000 words. All you have to do is sign up, enter your query, and in seconds you'll have SEO optimized, plagiarism-free content. So go ahead and give it a try. Write a large or small article, post, description, or title about your chosen sub-niche, and see what kind of content you can come up with. The possibilities are endless with Writesonic AI. And if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'm here to help you out. I really hope this strategy helps you make some nice passive income. And don't worry, I'll be sharing more profitable strategies in the coming days, so be sure to share and subscribe if you find this video valuable. Thanks for watching. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.